Welcome back, guys. We've shown you so many recipes on how to make homemade yogurt in the Luvele Pure Plus yogurt machine. But did you know there are actually so many ways to use that homemade yogurt? And one of them is to make your own cream cheese. So I'm going to show you that today. We already know that making your own yogurt means that you know exactly what's gone into it, and the probiotic count is way better than anything you can buy in the store. So why not transfer all of that goodness into something else like cream cheese? It's really simple. All we need to do is hang our yogurt and wait for the whey to drip off. So I'm going to start with some homemade yogurt, and I'm going to drip about 1 liter of that. Check out the video here if you haven't seen our videos on how to make yogurt yet, or check out our blog space as well. So I've made 2 liters of homemade yogurt here, and I'm going to drip about half of it. How much cream cheese you get out in the end is going to depend on a couple of things. Firstly, how thick or thin your yogurt is to start with, and secondly, how long you leave it to drip. The longer you leave it, the more firm and dry your cheese will become. Now you can get a bit creative about how you hang your yogurt, but basically what you're going to need to do is put some of your yogurt into a nut bag or muslin or cheesecloth and hang it over the top of a bowl or container so that the whey can drip off. Now, how I'm going to do it today is to tie it over a wooden spoon, and I'm going to suspend it over the top of my measuring jug. So I'm going to add my yogurt to my nut bag now. I'm going to do 1 liter, as I said before, but you could actually do as little as 2 cups. Draw up the sides of the nut bag or tie up your muslin cloth. Make sure you don't squeeze it. We want to let gravity do all the work here. The weather is nice and cool here today, so this can stay right here on the bench. If it was hotter though, say in summer, then I might drip it in the fridge. You can let it hang overnight, or 6 to 8 hours is perfectly fine as well. We'll come back in a little while to see how it's gone. My yogurt has finished dripping now, and you can see how much whey has come out of it. I left mine to drip overnight, and I'm going to show you now what it looks like. I'm really happy with how this has turned out today. Anything that I could do with a store-bought cream cheese, I can now do with this. You could try sweetening it or adding extra flavors like herbs or spices, turn it into a dip, bake with it, cheesecake of course, or my favorite, cream cheese frosting. Store it in the fridge in an airtight container and enjoy your homemade creation. We hope you liked this video today and that you're now confident enough to make your own cream cheese at home. We'd love to hear how you go in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and give the video a like if you enjoyed it. We're looking forward to bringing you another Luvele Life recipe next week.